Can you guess how many kids were involved? You will not believe how many kids were involved in this 100-mile-per-hour pursuit. This behavior is so unsafe and irresponsible. On Sunday, May 24, 2026, at approximately 3:15 p.m., an ASP trooper attempted to stop a 2012 Toyota Highlander due to a simple traffic violation. The driver, Ty Rice Fletcher, failed to stop and a pursuit ensued. The lengthy high-speed pursuit ran its course through multiple city limits. You have to see how this one ended, as we'll explore what not to do in this situation. So at this point, I hate to state the obvious, but regardless of the violation or violations, it's best not to put yourself and innocent people at risk of harm trying to get away. At this point, the pursuit is way too dangerous through multiple city limits. It would be a good idea at any point to simply pull over and give up.
Alright, he's crashed out,
Hey, watch those lines, they're touching the car. Get back, Justin, get back.
The first child was thrown from the vehicle and rescued by the trooper.
Is everybody awake?
Yes.
They're moving?
Yes. I don't know where my baby's at.
I have your baby, she's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Power lines are on fire. You're on top of the vehicle.
Come here, get that off your hair. Come here. He okay? Come here, buddy. Hey, you better stay in the car right now. Stay in the car.
That's the second child.
Go to Trooper Harper, okay? Put your hand down. Stay inside the car. Do not come out. You see them power lines? If it touches the car, it's going to kill you. Hey, sweetie. You see Trooper Harper?
That's the third child.
Hands on top of the car.
Me?
Yes.
Are you okay? A little cut. Oh, you got a scratch. Come in here, baby. You're okay.
Is it going to?
Yeah, you're not going to jail. You're good, baby. No! No. You're not going to jail.
Is the baby okay?
Yes. Yeah, she's fine.
Oh, there's another baby in?
Yep. He can't get out. There's a baby in the car still.
Yeah. I ain't got a key. I'm just that damn power line.
Keep your hands on the car.
I don't know how much longer that's gonna hold before it burns and falls.
And that's the fourth child. How unfortunate.
He's got a broke arm.
You okay? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Does that hurt? Yeah, how old are you?
Mr. Bubba? Are you hurt anywhere?
I have.
It's hard. Blow up. You wear a seatbelt.
My heart, but my phone is in the corner.
Okay. Why are you running?
I don't know if I was talking to you.
You wasn't talking to me. You got warrants?
No, hope not. I had a gun in the car.
You a felon? Okay.
Being caught with a firearm for some people has harsh consequences, but that's still not worth putting his kids, troopers, and other innocent people at risk.
You want a sticker? You want to put it on your shirt? Y'all want to start rerouting people?
What are you doing?
I'm just laying down.
Well, that shit's high.
Yeah. You want me to roll over?
Yeah, you need to sit up. The EMS can check you out. You need to be last on the list. What's your kid's names? Starting from the infant. The infant.
The infant.
Do you know the infant's name?
We call the big mama. I'm trying to think her actual birth name. Kinsley. The oldest name is. The youngest is similar to Kinsley, but it's not.
Okay, we'll worry about it. We'll get in contact with the mom where she remembers her kid's name.
Instead of just pulling over his vehicle, the young man committed the following: possession of firearm, 4 counts of endangering of a minor, possession of a controlled substance, reckless driving, no driver license, no seatbelt, and improper passing on the left. A lot of these charges definitely could have been avoided.